In the late Cretaceous period, roughly 66 million years ago, Earth was a vibrant, dynamic world. The continents had drifted into recognizable shapes, and a diverse array of life flourished across vast landscapes. Dinosaurs, the dominant terrestrial vertebrates, ruled from pole to pole, with species ranging from massive sauropods like Brachiosaurus and Diplodocus to agile predators like Tyrannosaurus rex and Velociraptor. The skies were filled with pterosaurs, some boasting wingspans greater than modern aircraft, while the oceans teemed with formidable marine reptiles such as Mosasaurus and Plesiosaurus. The atmosphere was rich in oxygen, supporting lush vegetation and vast forests, where plants flourished in varied forms. Flowering plants, angiosperms, were beginning to appear, creating a new dynamic in the food web. Life was thriving, yet the balance was precarious, and the stage was set for one of the most dramatic events in Earth's history. On that fateful day, a celestial object, a colossal asteroid approximately 10 kilometers in diameter, was hurtling through space, unwittingly on a collision course with Earth. Its journey began in the asteroid belt, and as it crossed the inner solar system, it was drawn toward the planet's gravitational pull. When the asteroid struck the Earth near what is now the Yucatan Peninsula, it collided with a force that is difficult to fathom. The impact occurred at an estimated speed of 20 kilometers per second, creating an explosion that released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. This was the Chicxulub impact, named after the nearby town that lies above the crater. Upon impact, a shock wave rippled through the Earth, producing massive earthquakes that were felt across the globe. The force of the collision generated a fireball, vaporizing everything within a radius of several kilometers. The resulting crater, over 150 kilometers wide, was formed as the asteroid penetrated the Earth's crust and excavated the underlying rock. The immediate aftermath of the impact was nothing short of apocalyptic. A blinding flash of light engulfed the surrounding landscape, followed by an intense heat wave that ignited wildfires across vast regions. The flames spread rapidly, consuming forests and grasslands and releasing immense amounts of carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. In the minutes and hours that followed, a thick cloud of dust and debris was propelled into the atmosphere, where it spread like a shroud, blocking sunlight from reaching the Earth's surface. This phenomenon resulted in a catastrophic cooling effect, plunging the planet into darkness. The temperatures dropped drastically as sunlight was obscured, creating an environment that was inhospitable to life as it had existed before. The fiery destruction and subsequent darkness caused an immediate and widespread collapse of ecosystems. Herbivorous dinosaurs like the long-necked sauropods and the armored ankylosaurs faced rapid starvation. Without sunlight, plants began to wither and die, and with them, the primary food source for the herbivores vanished. Many species of dinosaurs that depended on these plants for survival began to die off in staggering numbers. As the days turned into weeks, the consequences of the impact became increasingly dire. The dust and soot suspended in the atmosphere caused a phenomenon known as impact winter. During this period, temperatures plummeted and the darkness persisted for months, potentially years. The once warm climate was replaced by a harsh, cold environment. The initial fires that engulfed the forests and grasslands led to the release of carbon monoxide and sulfur dioxide, contributing to acid rain that further devastated plant life. Rivers and lakes became inhospitable to fish and other aquatic life, leading to a catastrophic die-off in marine ecosystems. The oceans were particularly hard hit, as the phytoplankton, tiny photosynthetic organisms that formed the foundation of the marine food web, perished. Entire aquatic ecosystems began to collapse. While some species were resilient, adapting to the rapidly changing environment, Many others succumbed to the effects of the catastrophic event. The food web unraveled, and the delicate balance of life was shattered. Carnivorous dinosaurs, which relied on herbivores for food, found themselves in dire straits, facing starvation and extinction. The extinction event was not limited to dinosaurs. It also affected countless other species across various taxa, including marine reptiles, flying reptiles, and numerous plant species. The impact of the Chicxulub asteroid marked the beginning of the end for the dinosaurs. Over the course of a few thousand years, approximately 75% of all species on Earth went extinct, including nearly all non-avian dinosaurs. The Cretaceous-Paleogene (KPG) boundary, defined by this extinction event, serves as a stark demarcation in the fossil record. Survivors of this catastrophic event included small mammals, birds, which are considered modern-day dinosaurs, and some reptiles. While many large species vanished, the few that survived would inherit the Earth in the wake of the extinction. The harsh conditions forced life to adapt, evolve, and ultimately lay the foundation for a new era of biodiversity. In the aftermath of the extinction event, Earth began a slow process of recovery. Over millions of years, the planet gradually healed, and new ecosystems emerged. The absence of dinosaurs allowed for the diversification of mammals. Small, nocturnal mammals began to proliferate and adapt to the niches left vacant by the extinction of larger animals. With the eventual re-establishment of plant life, forests and grasslands returned to the landscape. The recovery was marked by an explosion of evolutionary experimentation. Mammals diversified into a myriad of forms and sizes, leading to the eventual rise of primates and, eventually, human beings. The post-dinosaur world saw the rise of species like the woolly mammoth, saber-toothed cats, and giant ground sloths, showcasing the incredible adaptability of life in the face of adversity. The mammals that survived the KPG extinction went on to dominate the planet, paving the way for the age of mammals. The day the sky went dark serves as a powerful reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. The Chicxulub impact not only caused the extinction of the dinosaurs, but also reshaped the course of evolution itself. The dramatic shift in ecosystems, climates, and life forms underscores the interconnectedness of all living things. Today, as we face our own challenges from climate change to habitat destruction, the story of the dinosaurs serves as a cautionary tale. It reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains life and the importance of preserving our planet's biodiversity. Understanding the past can inform our actions today, urging us to protect the ecosystems that support life on Earth. In conclusion, the extinction of the dinosaurs due to the Chicxulub impact not only changed the course of evolution, but also highlights the resilience of life and the capacity for recovery. The echoes of this cataclysmic event still resonate today, urging us to reflect on our impact and responsibility toward the Earth and its myriad inhabitants. As we navigate the challenges of our time, let us honor the lessons of the past to secure a sustainable future for generations to come.